a golden apple. I'm pretty sure it refills all of your health, but yes, you will need, well, if you have a block of gold, it doesn't really matter. You kind of need a golden ingot because, well, this is what we're gonna need. Or you could go to the Nether and get some little nuggets, golden nuggets. So, today, I'll be showing you how to make a golden apple again. Put the golden ingot in your little crafting table. You get 9 golden nuggets. And if you want, you can put that in there and then do that. And then, like, get all of these. But you don't have to, like I said. And from last time, you know how I found this village? I found a lot more. I'm guessing that over there, where my little dude is pointing, is another one, but I never got to get on my map. But I found 4 technically so far. And out of those, I have found 3 obsidian in 1 chest, 3 iron helmets, 2 bread, and an apple that I'm going to use. And I decided to make my own little house in this village. Looks pretty cool. Let's go inside. This is a waterfall up here to the roof, but I made a little chest down there. You make it by going to a crafting table after you have the golden nuggets. You put the apple in the middle, surrounded by golden nuggets, and voila. Golden apple in the middle, surrounded by golden nuggets. You will need quite some golden nuggets. You just need like 8, I'm guessing. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Gosh, I was out there. But yes, you do need some. Let me put that. I will try to find out a way. But yes, golden apple. Eat it. Munch. Well, I guess it regenerates your health. Ah, for only a couple seconds. But it's better than nothing. Yes, that is all for this tutorial. Please comment, subscribe. Thank you.